Welcome to our Magento 2 tutorials. Today we will learn how to create a quote using Magento 2 API. Generate access token using customer account. Create new post request and enter your store URL, along with this endpoint. Enter customer username and passwords. Then create a new request using this endpoint. Copy the token and paste in the authorization section as bearer token. After complete, click send. Your customer account's now ready to add items to shopping cart. I will leave the endpoint in the descriptions. Coming up next, we will learn how to add items to cart using Magento 2 API. Hexa. Connecting applications, automating processes,